you to wrap my hair in February's on Sunday because it's Black History Month. So that's gonna be like my theme.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to come to you guys with a quick tutorial on how I do my hair wraps. I get endless questions about how I wrap my hair, so I wanted to show you guys how I did it. I basically use any type of scarf or wrap, as long as it just wraps around my head, obviously. But for this whole video, you're just gonna see me tying, twisting, and either tucking and trying to fix it to my liking. So I don't really know how to explain it, so I'll let you guys watch. And yeah, you can basically get your scarves from anywhere. I get mine from Gabe's, H&M, Walgreens, anywhere you see a wrap, just grab it. But yeah, just make sure it can fit over your head. Like when you stretch out your arms, make sure it's like arms width or whatever, like both arms width across your whole body. I hope that makes sense. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Oh, and another thing, I usually keep like a silk bonnet or a silk scarf under my wraps, just so the cotton or the material don't rub against my hair and break it off or whatever. But as you can see in this video, I don't have it on anymore because it kept sliding off because of all the different styles I was doing. And also, I usually keep my hair braided, but as you can see, it is in a low ponytail because my hair is getting so thick and I did not feel like sitting there and braiding my hair. But yeah, I usually have it in braids so it wouldn't have that lump in the back. But honestly, I really don't care about the ponytail in the back because I still wear my wrap. But yeah, I'ma shut up. Oh, and I should have ironed my background. But yeah, just ignore that and enjoy this video. I love you guys. Bye.